Now guys, you can also collaborate with your friend or with any user. So if you click here, as you can see, we have the collaboration option. So how can we use this feature? So you have to click here on the share button. So if you send an invitation to a friend or to anyone, he can only view your project, only edit, or he have the full access to your project. So I'm going to send an invitation to this email, and now I'm going to send this to full access. And now right here you can also change this to anyone with the link can view, anyone in this space can access, only people invited to this project can access. So you can also change this. So I'm going to change this to anyone with the link can view. So now I'm going to send the invitation, and now invitation is sent. Now I'm right here with my second account. Now this is the main account that we send the invitation to this email. So now I'm going to click here, edit now, and now it is going to take me to the project. And now as you can see guys, we have to select a profile. And now as you can see, now we are here in the project. Now guys, if you notice, we have this main email profile right here. So it is indicating that this person has its cursor right this position. So if I place this email ID cursor right here, and if we go to the main ID, as you can see guys, we have this cursor right here. Now you can also view that if this person is select a clip or not. So if I select this clip, so first I'm going to split this clip, and now I'm going to select this clip. Now if we go to this ID guys, as you can see, I have this profile right next to this clip, that indicating that this person selected this clip, and we have this profile that indicating that this person cursor is right in this position. Now you can also disable this from this option. So you have to click here, uncheck this clip selection. So as you can see, it disappear. So we have to click here, uncheck user playhead, and it will also disappear. And now we can edit this from this profile. So you can edit this with your friend if you want to. And now if you go to the main project, as you can see guys, now we have 5 clip. We split this clip in 5 parts. And now as you can see, we have this profile that indicating we have this cursor right here, and that person is selected this clip. So this is how you can collaborate with your friend or with anyone.